Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. I have fun here with a song from TeddySwims. Alright, so he's been here with us before many times on Growing Guitar, and I'm very sure you know about that guy. He did Bad Dreams, Someone Who Loved You. That's some of the songs we covered here on Growing Guitar. Also great collabs with ex-ambassadors, Tiago, and so on. And this time he stands on his own with a song called Guilty. Alright, so this is mainly a 4-chord song with a bridge part that adds a little bit to it, but anyway, the main part will be 4 chords as a roll. It's pretty much in the same way. We're going to look at the melody, the strumming, and build it to something nice together. So the setup here, capo very high up on the 8th fret. Why? Because we're going to combine the easy chords, we want them, but also the high notes to match up with the sound. So that's the reason capo on 8 is the absolute best scenario for us. So let's put that on there and go through the chords needed. We're gonna start with A minor, all right? So A minor is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We move on with C. Very easy transition there. So you're gonna play 3rd on A, 2nd on G, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have the G chord. All right, so 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. And then we have the D. And that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And these first 4 chords are the main chords. They're going to roll in that order almost through the entire song. But then to handle the bridge part, we need to add 2 more chords to it. So we're going to go with E as well. It goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is B. And if you have a guitar like I have, where you have the body that starts at the 12th fret, that will be a little bit messy to get it right. So that is a little bit work with it. I use 2 bars to handle this chord of B. So normally you have a bar on the 2nd fret and you push down 5 strings if you count from bottom up like this. Boom, like that. And then you're also going to add 4th on D, 4th G, and 4th B. There's a little bit too much and too little space to handle all that with the fingers. So what I do here, I just place a 2nd bar, and when it comes to the strumming, I'm going to stay in the mid area here, and I try to avoid the last E string. That's how I do it. Maybe you have a cutaway. That means you have this part cut away here from the 12th fret normally, and then you have more room to have like a real chord if you want to. This is a real chord as well. It's just a little bit simpler and easier when you don't have room for all the fingers like I don't have in this case. So that's just the B explained, and there we have all the chord guys to handle this song. So let's go into the main parts, and we're going to look at the melody first. It's based upon the 4 chords A minor, C, G, and D. So let's start from the beginning. A minor, it goes like this. Just rolls like that. All right, so A minor first, you're gonna play open A, then 2 times on the 1st B, and then comes the open A again, then 2nd A. Okay, so we have this bridge notes here in the bass going on to kind of put everything together, bridge everything together. So that is the A minor part. And then comes the C part. It goes like this. So that is 3rd on A, then 2 times on the open high E, then 2nd A, and open A. Then we have the G part. It goes like this. So that is 3rd fret on E string in the bass, then 2 times on the open B, then open A, and 2nd A. And then we have the last chord left there, the D. It goes like this. And that is to play open D, then 2nd E 2 times, then 3rd A, and 2nd A. And then you start all over again. So I'm going to take down the tempo a little bit for you to understand how it's done. Let's go through one chord progression around like this. Again. Sweet sound there, all right? Great melody from Teddy so far. Now, let's go into the strumming and learn that. So we use a very simple strumming, and if you grab the A minor first, you're gonna have this sound. Or this. Okay, so we're gonna start with the first version of it. It's just one detail that differs. It's down, down, clap, down, up. So 2 downs, clap, and down, up. You're gonna play one of these per chord. So A minor, C, G, D, 1 string around per chord like this. Down, down, clap, down, up, down, down, clap, down, up. Again, A minor, C, G, and D. And so on. The second version of it is to replace the clap with another D. And that D, that means down, you're gonna have one kind of emphasized down on it. So you can play like this. So down, 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 up. Instead of the clap, you're gonna play like this. You can switch it up with the clap, so back and forth with that strumming. All right, and then you can take it to the next level again to try to get these notes you know now, and you know where the melody goes, and you can use that and build that into the strumming pattern. And that's the power of it, to have a matching strumming pattern that fits the melody and everything, and you can combine that. It could sound something like this. If you're playful, I would practice this all. It just comes as it comes. So let's go. See in here, haven't done this before, but anyway, that is the fun part of it, to just release everything and just go with the flow and find your way through there. So anyway, give this some practice, melody strumming, and you will get it right better than me, I guess. That is how I handle the main part. Then happens the bridge part at 2 minutes and 15 seconds in. We have different chord progression now and also a different strumming pattern. We're gonna look at the transition from E to A minor, because this strumming pattern is about 2 parts, okay? So you're gonna play E part 1 and A minor part 2, and then you just apply it for the rest of the chords. So let's start with E part 1 first. It goes like this. Just like that. So down, down, clap. Very easy. Then you shift chord to A minor, play part 2, and it goes like this. That is down first, and then a short pause, and then comes down, clap, down. So down, down, clap, down. So if we build that together, it will be E, down, down, clap, down, down, clap, down. E, A minor. So. Then apply the same principle with the next 2 chords, which will be D, part 1, the down, down, clap, and then G, part 2, the down, down, clap, down. And then you finish off with C, 1 full round. That means both part 1 and part 2. So that is 1 chord progression round so far. So E part 1, A minor part 2, D part 1, G part 2, and then C 1 full round. Like this for 2 rounds. So we played 2 rounds of that so far, and then we have just the ending, and this is where the B comes in. You're gonna play the B chord, and you're gonna play that for 1 full round as well as the finishing thing to do there in the bridge part. So just stay with the B for 1 full round, and then you go back into the main parts. All right, so there you have it, guys. TeddySwims, Guilty, another great hit from Teddy. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, feel free to support me here on Growing Guitar. I really like to see this family growing, and yeah, to share my knowledge and help out as many as possible. That is my mission. So thank you, guys, and until next time, play tuned.